Hello and welcome. Today I am working on a 12 by 24 inch canvas, gallery wrapped canvas from Michaels. The pour I'll be doing is very similar to yesterday's or the day before yesterday's acrylic painting. I just decided to add the cobalt blue ultramarine light. It is Amsterdam All Acrylics. That's the brand, and it is in their Expert series. I just added a little bit of white to it to lighten it up. And I'm just gonna go ahead and finish layering my cup with the white. And I decided to add this very light gray as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you enjoy this video, and I will talk to you during the wet result. there is absolutely nothing that I dislike about this painting. I love all the colors that I created. I love the contrast between the black and white and the colors that I ribboned on top. I did lose most of my base color. You can see a little bit there and a little bit there, but I lost majority of it. So I'm going to try this one more time and just try to use a little bit less of the primary colors on top so that I can keep my base colors on the bottom and I can have that contrast in between the colors and the black and white. And I'm also going to experiment with the cobalt blue ultramarine light that I use. You can't see any of it on the base now, well, in the base now, but I'm going to use it again and just play around with different rings as the base and ribbon the primary colors on top. Okay, thank you for watching.